everybody. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I'm making more bread. More bread? Yeah, and Mimi has a sneeze, so she's home from school today. But I'm gonna make some bread. I'm gonna make bread using the noodles from this KampongKu curry seafood fry noodles, a curry chicken bread. I'm gonna use this whole thing. It's just gonna be one block of noodles, that much paste. Yeah, so here we go. Look at that. It certainly looks like a loaf of bread. The things that happen when I go out on the town with my daughter, Mimi. Let's see if it pops out. This smells really good and appears to be a win. This loaf was the easiest to cut and most well-behaved of any loaf I've made yet. Let's give it a try. It's got a very strong Malaysian curry flavor. That's a win. Look how nice and thin the slices came out, and they didn't fall apart. Nice bit of spiciness too. Well, what do you do with this stuff? I got an idea. Well, this looks lovely. I guess we should give it a try. Tear off a little bread. Get some of that nice yolk in there. Run. And a little bit of this chili sauce. Looks good. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with this loaf of bread. One of the best ones I've made thus far. Malaysian curry. A block of instant noodles. Very cool. Thanks to KampongKu for shooting this over. This has been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day, and have a good one. Bye.